nakakadismaya din po dahil imagine na nasayang yung panahon ng tag-araw para mag-construct.
Siguro we can ask Mayor LA. Ano ang saysay sa iyo bilang mayor kung alam mo na merong proyekto mula sa national sa inyong lugar? What is the significance niyan sa inyo?
For a municipality like Infanta, we have only 4 million CEF, Special Education Fund, that wouldn't suffice to construct 3 to 4 classrooms. So it's very important, and we're hyped up nung malaman natin noong December that we have the highest budget in history for education, and we have 67 billion funding for classroom, Mr. Chair. But to be candid, nakakapagtaka. Mahigit kalahati na ng taon, wala pa akong nakikita sa lugar ko na na-implement ang DepEd. But we need to find ways. Nakakadismaya din po dahil imagine na nasayang yung panahon ng tag-araw para mag-construct ng mga classrooms. And later on, meron akong kaunting presentation po ng status ng mga classrooms na hanggang sa ngayon hindi na-address ng DepEd. Talaga pong it's really heartbreaking. Sa amin po naman, inasahan namin. So tulad na nabanggit mo, Mr. Chair, kanina, may mga local government units na hindi na masyadong nagpondo sa classroom. Inilaan nila ito sa ibang learning materials, magagamit. And then, mahigit kalahati na ng taon, wala pong nakitang classroom.
Ko, Mayor LA, you also work closely with Governor Helen. Meron ka bang information about Quezon? Kung ano yung status ng Quezon pagdating dito sa classrooms?
Nung pinatawag sa Malacanang, sabi the budget would be downloaded to the governors. Pero up to now, even in Laguna with governors all nung makausap ko, both, wala pa pong nada-download.
Okay, sige. So first request kay Yusek Javier, let's make this list public, please. For the planning purposes rin of our LGUs, no? So the total number of classrooms here I see is about 15,000, 15,000.
Tama po yan. Diyan po yan sa 49.8 billion pa lang po.
I see. Okay. So kaya talaga natin umabot ng 20 mil?
Kaya po. Kasi meron pa hong balance na 18 billion.
Okay. When you say summary allocation, is that with DepEd already? Or